if you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in The Sims 4, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart your game. Close The Sims 4 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches or errors. Step 3. Clear cache files. Navigate to the Sims 4 cache folder on your computer and delete the cache files. This can help eliminate corrupted data that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that the Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates through your game launcher and install them. Step 5. Disable mods and custom content. If you have mods or custom content installed, temporarily disable them to see if they are causing the matchmaking error. You can do this by moving the mods folder to your desktop and restarting the game. Following these steps should help you resolve the matchmaking error and enhance your gaming experience. Enjoy playing The Sims 4.